Welcome to our project presentation in term 2 and my intellectual economy. My name is Chia Song Lai. I'm 9 years old. I'm a group leader.
My name is Lee Hon. I'm 9 years old. My name is Kim Hon. 10 years old.
We are from level K3B. Today we going to talk about living thing and not living thing. Let's start. Living thing can eat, can move, and can grow. Example: the tree can grow by the air, sunlight, and water. This is a peacock. This is a tiger. This is a dog. This is a bear. This is a lion. This is a fox. This is a hippo. They are the animals can eat, can move, and can throw. Let's move my friend Lee Hon.
Not living things. Not living things cannot eat, cannot move, and cannot throw. Examples: this is the iPhones. This is a tablet. This is a cars. This is a rulers. This is a pencils. This is an eraser. This is a box. This is a mask. They are cannot eat, cannot move, and cannot throw. Let's move to my friends.
Yes, friend.
This is a ball. This are scissors. This is a house. This is a glue. This is a sharpener. This is a hair. This is an umbrella. They are cannot eat, cannot move, and cannot grow.
That's all. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.